Hey all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can optimize your product pages so you convert as many people as possible when you come to your website. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Alex. I own an e-commerce growth agency and we help businesses scale to 7 figures and beyond with Facebook ads, Google ads, email marketing, Pinterest ads, and TikTok ads. So without further ado, let's hop in my computer and I'll show you how you can optimize your product pages. Hi all, so for today's video, I'm gonna use the Audi as an example because their website looks amazing and I'm sure they convert a lot. So the first thing you need to make sure is to use only high quality images. High quality images will show that you're serious about it and you take care of your products, and high quality images are the first thing people notice when they come to your website. So it kind of sets expectations of what they will receive. Also make sure the image size is compressed so it doesn't harm the load speed. Slow websites are never a good thing, and there's a lot of impatient people who will leave your website if it doesn't load fast. Your product images should include everything that's included in the box. Nothing more, nothing less. Showing more will confuse people and it will increase returns. You can also utilize product videos to show the product, how people can use it within the images here, or you can add the video here below. Next, add contrast to your add to cart button. Most websites I've seen, their add to cart button is white and it blends with the background of the page. When it's contrast and it's different color, it stands out more and it's more likely people to click it. Another thing with the add to cart button, you can install an app called Ultimate Sticky Add to Cart. What this app will do is, regardless of how much people scroll to the page, the add to cart button will stay on the bottom, which makes it very easy for people to click it, add it to cart and convert. Next, you should clearly show any financing options. As you can see here, they're using ShopPay, and they're telling people they can pay in 4 interest-free payments of €13.50. Another thing this will do is gonna make your products more affordable to people, and more people will convert. You're gonna be surprised how many people are using those apps like ShopPay, Klarna, Afterpay, ClearPay, Sizzle, and Affirm. Next, what you can do is utilize out-of-stock opt-ins. If your best-selling product or any of your products are out of stock, you need to allow people to opt in to receive a notification when the product is restocked. This way, you're gonna get more email subscribers, and a lot of those people, when you restock your product, they'll come back and convert. You should also add shipping information. Let people know how long they'll need to wait to receive their products. Also make sure you tell people if you have free shipping, or if you have a threshold for free shipping, how much is it? Do not let shipping rates to be a surprise, because there's a lot of people who hate to pay for shipping and they will drop off. Next thing you need to do, as you can see here, the Audi has shipping info. It doesn't need to be anything complex, it could be as simple as 1 or 2 sentences, and you can explain to people what they can expect. Next thing you can do is to add product reviews. Product reviews are great social proof, and it shows that you're legit and people have bought from you already and they're happy with your products. Customer reviews will definitely increase your conversion rates. Also create a section on the page where you can show your unique selling points and the benefits of your product. I think Dodi have made a great product page here. As you can see, they have free shipping and returns. They explain about the products, what people can expect, how they feel using their products. Sizing guide is another crucial thing that people would like to know, especially for clothing. They have frequently asked questions and they have more ways of when and how to use their products. These infographics are great, and I would highly recommend you to make some for your website that will allow you to show your product's benefits and unique selling points. Another thing you can do is use lifestyle images, show your products in action. And last but not least, if you're selling clothes or any product that needs taking care of, it's great to add care instructions on your product page. But yeah guys, that's about it. If you want to optimize your product page, take example of businesses like Udemy, Gymshark. Those e-commerce businesses are generating millions and millions of dollars every single month. So every slight change to their website that's gonna improve their conversion rate, even with 0.01%, it means huge increase in revenue for them. So they're testing everything possible and they're doing the best job out there. They have the best teams on optimizing their websites. So take example of them and optimize your website. Again, if you found value in this video, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out get these videos out there. It also helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you own an e-commerce business and you want to scale it, or you're not happy with your current marketing agency's performance, there's going to be a link in the description where you can book a call with me, and I would love to learn where you're at currently and where you want to take your business. So yeah, thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.